Okay, welcome back to new video. Today we'll be playing for Battle Cats again. And wait. Country went to India. 5, 6, 7, 10. Let's do like 14 more states to have on this video. But first, let's claim the Namakoto to level up stuff too. To level up stuff to 25, and then 30, and then I'm pretty sure at like. No, I think, wait. No, I think it's from, like, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Are you only single dogging? No, your area. Let's get an army of Mestos, because why not? Are you area? No, you're single. Keep on shooting him. Yeah. The video, I like the video. Is this like those guys? A snake and a toad and a hippo white? I'm pretty sure. Yep, toads. 3 toads is actually. Three more Joneses. No, 4 more Joneses. Yeah, hippo. Nice. Okay, maybe it wasn't. Or maybe it was, but they just didn't spawn. Yeah, so I'll take the next Johnny cat food. Why not? Sounds like pussing. Running cat food. Yippee. Okay. Yeah. How did I get that many speed ups again? I forget. Did I different from Gaglados, or I have no idea. I love Trash Cat. Well, when I'm in first stage of noob. Time to get slapped by a leg. Nope. Slap him. Come on, connect. Connect. So close, so close, so close. You need to connect. No, why aren't you connecting? You're so close to connecting. Yeah, for connecting. Add CPU. Okay. Now golden towel. Which one of these do I get a well ticket from? I thought I get one will ticket from one of these. There's a reason why I want well ticket so I can do more Galaxy Girl stuff. Just have to get Kai. The sky is OP. From what I've seen of gameplay. I need Periscat. Yes. Now I need other scat. More Periscat. Now I need Periscat. Buzzer. I want to get cat machine. Yeah, here comes cat machine to tap your butt. And win. Angel, you know win. You're not gonna win. Oh, it's a duo. Yeah, yeah. You go. You can pick up into one piece. Somehow. Slap! 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 Yeah! This is gonna take a while if I'm only using wolf attacks. Okay, so take out Wonder. I'm checking out him. Just easy now. No! Easy. I need this guy. He's apparently good at killing metal hippos. Wow, he's fast. He's fast boy. What is that? I have no idea what's up with Monica's very slow range. Oh wow. Yeah, I got another one. Oh wait. Hee Oh no. No! No, get away! Get away! Get away, wait now! Get away, wait now! Yes! Tee-hee! This was so easy. Ah. Oh, 14 XP. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do first the last one. Actually, no. I'm gonna do one more after this one. I like never seen that guy before. Cause I'm a noob. I know. Oh wow! I'm so wet. I'm wet and flat. Yeah. I need food too. What was that sound? Nobody knows. Easy. Bring the next video. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, wow. Fights. Oh wait, I did. Oh well, it'll be A-okay. Oh, that's critical. Yeah, critical. Let's win. Lala. What's Penguin? I'm lonely by myself, so that's not Why you guys are you mad because I can't get rid of that? Yes? Okay. Talking out to them because right now it is currently very lazy. Okay. Yeah, first is for the last one. Okay. Kenya. I think this is supposed to be 149. But instead it's 148. Or maybe it's supposed to be 140. So what about only critical people? This is ho and ho. I mean ho and him. Well, actually I don't know if it's a him. It probably is because him. Okay, what does he got? No, I want to say that. No. I don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do it. Fine. I'll just send Monico's friend. Monico! Yeah! Wait. I want to wait until we all get to here. It's going to be so goofy. Wait. I gotta go like this, so. No, fair. All basically fair. Yeah! It was like first always like a purple thing trail that's neon, and also feels like at least one cat ear up and full scared tears. See, I do not regret doing that now. That was amazing. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video up here. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye!